Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are on the threshold of an era of cyberpunk. We have widescreen televisions, TV remote, which let us control our TV with our own voice. We have televisions with embedded TV receivers, and we don't need anymore some antennas. Not even TV receivers. But let's roll back in time, and today I'll try to review TV receiver for such an old television. Let's go. On the front panel from left to right we have power button, power indicator, USB port and channel switching buttons. On the rear panel there are RF in for connecting an antenna to the receiver, RF out to repeat the signal from the antenna, coaxial, HDMI, power connector and RCA connectors. Let's get a better look at this device. In the kit we have power adapter itself, SCART to RCA cable, and remote controller. Well, let's go to tests. We have TV receiver, SCART to RCA cable, TV, and antenna. Plug our TV using RCA connectors and antenna using RF in. And nothing happens. It means that either the receiver is broken or the antenna. Another way, I'll use my HDMI. The same result. I don't have other options. My final decision is dismantling. Inside it does not look so complicated. We can see transistors, resistors, capacitors, LEDs and buttons. I was planning to make review, but something turned out wrong and I disassembled TV receiver. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon on the same channel.